Mechanisms. In this unit we will learn, what is a link or element? Classification of links, rigid link, flexible link and fluid link. Types of kinematic pairs, sliding, turning, rolling, screw and spherical pairs. Lower pairs and higher pairs. Closed pair and open pairs. We will also learn the types of constrained motions, like completely constrained, partially or successfully constrained and incompletely constrained. Let us learn what is an element or link. A machine comprises of multiple parts which moves relative to some other part. Each part of a machine which moves relative to some other part is known as kinematic link. Types of links. Links are classified into three types. Rigid link, flexible link and fluid link. Let us know what a rigid link is. A rigid link is one which does not undergo any deformation while transmitting motion. Example, connecting rod, crank of a reciprocating steam engine, etc. Practically they may not be a rigid link, but as the deformation is comparatively negligible, we can consider them as rigid links. A flexible link is the one which is partly deformed in a manner, not to affect the transmission of the motion. Example, belts, ropes, chain drives, wires, etc. A fluid link is the one which is formed by a fluid. In this type of link the motion is transmitted through a fluid, by pressure or compression. Example, hydraulic press, jacks and brakes, etc.
When the brakes are applied, the foot pedal is pushed, due to which pressure is exerted on the fluid in the master cylinder. This pressure is transmitted equally and undiminished throughout the fluid and to the pistons of the wheel cylinder. Therefore, the pistons get pushed outwards and the brake shoes get pressed against the rim of the wheel, due to which the motion retards. On releasing the pressure on the pedal, the return spring forces the pistons of the wheel cylinder back, and the fluid flows back into the master cylinder.
The kinematic pairs are broadly classified into three types based on 1. The type of relative motion between the elements. 2. The nature of contact between the pairing elements. And 3. The type of mechanical constraint, or mechanical contact. Well, based on the type of relative motion between the elements of the pair, they are again classified as sliding pair, turning pair, rolling pair, screw pair, and spherical pair. Based on the nature of contact between the pairing elements, they are classified as lower pair and higher pair. Based on the type of mechanical constraint, or mechanical contact, they are classified as closed pair, or self-closed pair, open pair, or forced close pair. When the two elements of a pair are connected in such a way that one can only slide relative to the other, the pair is known as a sliding pair. Example, the piston and cylinder, tailstock on the lathe bed, etc. When the two elements of a pair are connected in such a way that one can only turn, or revolve about a fixed axis of another link, the pair is known as turning pair. When the two elements of a pair are connected in such a way that one rolls over another fixed link, the pair is known as rolling pair. Ball and roller bearings are examples of rolling pair.